R300 vacuum sealer stands out as the most advanced and versatile vacuum sealer in the market. It is capable of vacuum sealing various types of bags, including embossed vacuum bags, smooth vacuum bags, PE plastic bags, craft paper bags, aluminum bags, and more. What sets the R300 apart is its dual functionality, featuring both a nozzle for vacuum sealing bags up to 40 centimeters in length and a chamber for vacuum sealing bags up to 30 centimeters in length. Additionally, the machine is equipped with a canister for storing excess liquids, adding to its convenience and efficiency. The vacuum seal mode enables automatic vacuum sealing, while the seal mode allows for sealing only without vacuuming. The R300 vacuum sealer boasts a user-friendly digital control panel that offers 3 distinct modes: vacuum seal mode, and container mode. To enhance usability, the R300 is equipped with 2 digital screens. Firstly, if you simply want to seal the bag without vacuum sealing it, there's a convenient option available. When you have a partially packed bag of food that you wish to seal, you can press the nozzle in button to switch to the seal function. Once in seal mode, place the bag along the sealing line, ensuring the lid is securely closed, and initiate the sealing process. This allows you to effectively seal the bag without engaging the vacuum sealing function. Secondly, if you intend to vacuum seal using a textured bag, begin by pressing the nozzle in-out button to retract the nozzle. Next, set the desired vacuum timing and sealing time. Once done, position the bag within the chamber, ensuring it is properly aligned, and close the lid securely. Finally, press the start button to initiate the vacuuming process, and the R300 will proceed to vacuum seal the bag accordingly. Thirdly, when vacuum sealing with a smooth bag, it's important to take some key steps. Carefully insert the nozzle into the vacuum bag, ensuring the bag lays flat to facilitate a straight and secure seal. For the most effective vacuum seal, place the food item approximately 1 centimeter away from the nozzle. Adjust the vacuuming time and bag sealing time to your preference. Once ready, press the start button, and the R300 will automatically carry out the vacuuming and sealing process, providing you with a reliable seal on the bag. Fourthly, let's explore the air inflation seal feature. If you wish to inflate the bag with air, follow these steps. Connect the provided tube as demonstrated in the video. Set the desired inflation time according to your preference and press the start button. The R300 vacuum sealer will automatically inflate the bag with air and proceed to seal it securely. As you have witnessed, the R300 vacuum sealer showcases numerous remarkable features that offer convenience and compactness. With its impressive capabilities, the R300 is undoubtedly the ideal choice for businesses seeking to save time and enhance productivity in their packaging processes. Thank you for watching.